Hey everyone, welcome to Bulaland. Today I'll be sharing a brief video about Google VPN or Google One VPN, or the goodie that is accessible for owners of Pixel 7 and 7 Pro smartphones. And that you are permitted to utilize the Google VPN. Perhaps that's all for the information. If you wish to utilize the VPN service, then there are primarily paid providers. At Google, you can utilize it at no cost if you are a Google One subscriber, commencing from 2 terabytes. I don't use it myself. I actually use mine. On my NAS, I have a VPN server that I always use. And as I mentioned, users of Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro can also utilize the VPN service at no cost. This has been rolled out by now. This should now be available if you have a Pixel 7. And I'll show you briefly what you have to do, because you don't have to install a lot. The sole app you require is the Google One app. This is essentially the central app to make use of the Google storage and things like that, similar to the Apple iCloud service. And if you possess that and a Google Pixel 7, for instance, then there exists the function here referred to as VPN. And you simply press on it, and then you have the ability to activate Virtual Private Network here, and now Virtual Private Network is activated and ready to use. From now on, your data will be routed through the Google VPN tunnel and should be secure accordingly. This has the advantage, particularly when you are in a public Bulaland, for instance at your supermarket or in a shopping center or wherever you may be. Your belongings and personal information are also secure there, even if the WLAN is not encrypted. So much for that. The only restriction you should perhaps consider: Google generally says that the speed will be faster through this VPN tunnel, but I have already tested it in various scenarios, just so you have an idea of the magnitude. This doesn't have to be the case for you now. With my telecom contract, I experienced a download speed of 175 Mbit under the 5G network coverage. Downloaded, and after I activated the VPN, it was noticeably less, of course. You should simply be aware of this. If velocity doesn't interest you and it's more about safety, then activate the item if you have it accessible without charge. And then you definitely saved a few euros and don't have to look at all these NordVPN advertising spam ads anymore. Yes, then it was from my side. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.